I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by saving what matters. Export your projects, templates, and custom samples to an external drive or iCloud because Uninstall removes app files. Once done, quit Logic and any audio hosts. Disconnect interfaces to avoid locked files. Now open the Applications folder, find Logic Pro X, and confirm the version so you reinstall the matching installer. This prevents plugin or library mismatches later. Do this first to make the uninstall precise and avoid lost work. Next, delete the app and its associated content. Drag Logic Pro X to trash, then empty trash while holding Option to force immediate removal. Then remove user and system support folders. /library/application support /logic and /library/application support /logic, which store templates and preferences. After that, delete Apple loops and related audio libraries from both user and root library, paths to reclaim space. Finally, reboot your Mac to clear system caches, then sign into the App Store with the Apple ID that owns Logic Pro X. Download and install Logic. Once installed, open it and restore your projects from the backup. Make sure you reinstall third-party plugins and audio drivers in the correct order, because plugin mismatches can freeze sessions. If you still see crashes or audio routing problems, delete the preferences file at /library/preferences/com. Apple, Logic 10, plist and restart Logic to reset settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.